Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to find the solution of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by the square root of number 3. Now we have the formula in here. So if we want to find the solution of A, so we have 8 equal to arctan of B plus K 180 degrees. So we can apply this one, go in here. So we have x minus 30 degrees equal to arctan of this one, and we have K 180 degrees in here, and we know that K belongs to integers. Now we put this one go to the right, and now we have the final answer. And if we simplify this one, we have 70 degrees in here. And this one we have 100 degrees. This is the end. Thank you for watching.